Hey everybody. Sorry if I sound hoarse, I'm just getting over a cold, but I want to do another video. I'm sure you may know that as part of the MTDX upgrade coming, I am servicing the water cooling system. So yeah, the MTDX is now back to air cooling. It'll be the first time I've ever air cooled it since I've been using this particular platform, the AMD FX8120. I'm running it stock, and I can tell you right now, when that thing is burning, the MTDX is put at a serious disadvantage of not having water cooling. Now, the thing about this processor is, it's never really been... I can tell you that the sensors on it are a load of crap. Let's see, where is it? Yeah, 46 or 48 degrees Celsius under load. Yeah, bull crap. Bull crap. The motherboard says it's running at a nice hot and toasty 68 degrees Celsius. Now, when I had the water cooling system on here, when I had this thing overclocked pretty heavily, it would sometimes report getting up to about 63, 64 sometimes. And I don't know exactly how accurate this is, because of course I had a water cooling system on here. The block I had on there was the water cool, let's see, heat killer 3.0 LC, and of course had that humongous radiator on it. And of course it was getting pretty nice and warm. The air coming out was getting warm. So, you know, it's safe to say this CPU is definitely a heat maker, just like the Phenom 2 965 that I had in here before. But man, with this heatsink fan on there, it's doing all it can to keep things cool. Let's get an idea of what the temperature is in here. Now I can tell you this here is not the most accurate. The ceiling, for example, is about 81 degrees. Now I think it's probably closer to about 84. It's got to be at least 85 degrees ambient here. Now if we walk around the corner to the kitchen, thermostat says 74, but I can tell you right now just by feel. When you walk around this wall here, it's definitely a heat block, and it's a problem now. It's kind of a problem I've had when heating off of wood. This room and the tech room, for example, stay pretty toasty. Now, it does actually stay warm all the way to the other side, but anyways, back to the point here. MTDX is definitely struggling with this wood stove burning. Now, during the summertime at the old place, it saw similar temps, but really, to be honest, during the summertime, it'll get to about sometimes 90 degrees in my bedroom. It's just the way that that room is. During the summertime, it's the hottest room in the house, and during the wintertime, it's the coldest room in the house. That's even the case with my grandpa living in that room now, without having a computer shop and stuff going on in there. It's still, during the summertime, he has to have extra fans going to keep cool. Just to give an idea, this thermistor is incorrect. It is not the correct value thermistor. It's actually, I think it's half the value of the correct thermistor. So the temperature it's reported is double what it actually is. It's reporting 79 degrees Celsius, or let's just say 80 degrees Celsius. That's normally my water block sensor, but of course it's just hanging out and about, sitting around somewhere back there. We can safely assume, okay, it is right near the back of the power supply, so it's up inside the case. So we can safely assume that it's a toasty 40 degrees Celsius inside the chassis. And the sys10 is also showing 40. Which I think that's about accurate. 40 degrees Celsius inside the case, 104 Fahrenheit. CPU is apparently pushing nearly 70 degrees Celsius. Which is pretty dang hot. Yeah, depending on your CPU, of course. I think the Ryzen's do actually run hotter than the older, or at least I can't say run hotter, but I will say that I think their maximum rated temperature is higher than the FX series. I'm pushing this thing nearly to the point of overheating. It's not throttling, for at least what I'm seeing in here. Now, I don't know exactly how the thermal throttling on these work, if it just adjusts the multiplier for a bit, but yeah, it's running pretty freaking hot, I have to say. That's why the water cooling system comes at such a huge advantage here. I mean, guys, this is a stock clock, and of course 125 watt CPU. It's putting out some heat. I hate to imagine if this thing would run stable at 4.2 gigahertz, how hot it would be running right now. Yeah, it'd be pretty freaking miserable. It wouldn't be good to say it for sure. Anyways, yeah. In case you guys were wondering how hot this thing can run on air with the wood stove fired up, yeah, it's a pretty good idea. Anyways, hopefully in a couple of weeks I'll have the mid-tower locks upgraded and have a brand new liquid cooling system on it. Yeah, air cooling sucks. Sucks dearly. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, I sure hope you guys enjoyed this video from Q Computer Channel. Remember to like the video, subscribe to Q Computer Channel for more updates, and remember to tick the bell so you actually get notified of these updates. Did you know that I am also on a second channel that's CubeComp MTDX? Over there you'll find videos of bicycling, weather, elevators, and all sorts of other neat and interesting stuff. Feel free to subscribe to that channel as well. And again, I thank you for your support, and thanks for watching this video.